Hey guys, this is Jesper from YACSS, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect blogger.com to YACSS. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to Gmail and click on this icon up here and scroll down and click sign out, because you don't want to be logged into more than one Gmail when you're doing this, because things might go wrong. Just trust me on this one. So yep, I'm logging in again. So now I'm sure that I'm only logged into one Gmail. Next thing you need to do is go to YACSS and click on Gmail connectivity. So this Gmail, I already connected this to YACSS. And the thing I need to do now is go into Google Cloud and enable the Blogger API. But I do need to remove it first. And I need to remove it because when I'm enabling a new API, I need to re-verify that I'm actually allowed to use this Gmail. That's just, it's not a limitation of YACSS, it's just how Gmails work. So now I removed it. I made a previous video in the YACSS YouTube channel on how to connect Gmails. So you can just refer to that on how to do that. But let me log into Google Cloud Platform using again Jonathan Ruferman. So what I'm doing is, let me just show you that, Google Cloud, and select Google Cloud here and click console. So I'm logged into Jonathan Ruferman, so I'm searching for Blogger API.
The time is 10 o'clock p.m.
I click enable, and let's just wait a couple of seconds until it is done. And it's now enabled because I can see it says disable here. So I'm still logged into Google Cloud, and I search for clients up here, and I click on OAuth clients. I click on credentials. You can also just click in the burger menu over here and click on API services and click on credentials. It's the same thing. So anyway, I can see I already made an app called YACSS app, and I showed you in the previous Gmail connection video on how to do that. I'm not going to repeat myself. I click on the download icon over here, to download the JSON file once more. What I will do now is I will go back to YACSS, add new, choose file, and select this guy here and open and submit. And so now authentication is successful, and I can now upload files. So go back. Okay, so just one remark about this process. When you're doing this, when you're deleting the already connected Gmail, and then you're adding the JSON file, and then you connect it, when you're going to do it, you're going to see the Gmail pop-up window that do you trust YACSS, and do you need to verify in front of Google that you allow YACSS to connect to the Gmail, to the Google Cloud, and just click yes or verify or whatever it says. So just don't be confused that you're not seeing the same thing as I am. Once again, I don't control Google. I know that they handle things differently when it's first, second, and third time that you're connecting the same Gmail. Anyway, it's connected. So the last thing I need to do is go to blogger.com. So blogger.com, when you have not created any blogs, it looks like this. In order to use blogger.com, you need to create a blog first. So click on create blog, give the blog a title, YACSS testing blog, click next, and let's give it an address, testing blog 101. The blog address is available. So this is just a thing to note, that these blog addresses are unique across the Blogspot universe. So I can't select SEO, but for sure this will be taken. I can't select marketing, for sure this will be taken. But YACSS blog testing 101 will not be taken. So I click save. And I now have a blog that doesn't have any posts. So I go back to YACSS. The place that we can use currently blogger.com is in the AI content generator. So I click AI content generator. I want to write about link building in local SEO. I want to have one. I'm going to use Gemini. No, I'm going to use Claude. Let me take Claude 3.5 sonnets. Generate. That's the model. What is local link building? Why does it matter for your business SEO? Yeah, okay. I will select article, FAQ, and process. So now YACSS is creating an article about local SEO and link building. So the quality of the article in this case doesn't really matter. It's just I'm just showing you how things work. So once the article is created, I can now choose to upload it to blogger.com. So this is the article. A lot of information here, and I can add outgoing links, quality local backlinks, and I can if I want to link to my website, jespernissen.com. Okay. And I can now we have this blue button here, upload to Blogger, select account, and select blog. We have this YACSS testing blog, and I click create post. And that was fast. Let's see here. All right, so got it. So this is actually very nice because we now have this blog post. What is local link building and why does it matter? Understanding. There's a backlink going to jespernissen.com. Let me go back again. And we have this article. So this is very nice, and for those of you that knows about the blogger.com domain, you know that it does by default it doesn't have any juice or power or whatever you want to call it, but it is still a Google property. So it has 1100. It is still a Google property, and we can still use it. So yeah. So what you can actually use this for is you can, for example, if you have created a local SEO campaign, you can embed your local SEO, your Google Maps and Google My Maps and the stuff that the driving directions that you create in the local SEO module. So the Blogger connection is going to be built more into the core of YACSS, but currently the only way you can use blogger.com to post to from YACSS is within the AI content generator. You don't need to use the content generator here. If you're using SimWriter, you can just paste stuff here and then upload. So I mean, you don't need to use the prompts that I engineered for YACSS here. You could just use SimWriter or Copy.ai or Jasper AI or whatever it is that you're using, or type out, write in your own blog articles and yeah, do whatever you want. But this has been the integration of Blogger to YACSS. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.